Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Do you know what an earthquake is? Or a flood? Today we'll learn all about disasters in a fun way. Earthquake. This is an earthquake. The ground shakes very strongly during an earthquake. Buildings, trees, and roads can break. People move to open spaces to stay safe. Flood. This is a flood. Too much rain or water makes the land full of water. Houses and cars can go underwater. People move to higher places to stay safe. Tsunami. This is tsunami. A tsunami is a giant wave in the ocean. It comes very fast to the shore. People must run to high ground quickly. Volcano. This is a volcano. A volcano is a mountain that spits hot lava. Smoke and fire come out from the top. People move far away to stay safe. Hurricane. This is a hurricane. A hurricane is a very strong storm with heavy winds. It brings rain and big waves in the sea. People stay indoors to be safe. Wildfire. This is a wildfire. A wildfire is a fire that spreads in forests. Trees, plants, and animals can get hurt. Firefighters work hard to stop it. Drought. This is a drought. Drought means no rain for a very long time. Plants, animals, and people don't get enough water. Rivers and lakes become dry. Landslide. This is a landslide. A landslide is when rocks and mud slide down a hill. Houses and roads can get covered. It happens after heavy rain or earthquakes. Tornado. This is a tornado. A tornado is a spinning wind like a giant funnel. It can pick up cars and trees. People hide in safe shelters underground. Blizzard. This is a blizzard. A blizzard is a very strong snowstorm. The wind blows and everything looks white. People stay inside to keep warm. Heat wave. This is a heat wave. A heat wave is many very hot days. People feel tired and thirsty quickly. Drinking water keeps everyone safe. Sandstorm. This is a sandstorm. A sandstorm is when strong winds blow sand in the air. It makes it hard to see and breathe. People cover their face to stay safe. Cyclone. This is a cyclone. A cyclone is a big storm with heavy winds and rain. It happens near the sea. People move to safe shelters before it comes. Thunderstorm. This is a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm has rain, lightning, and loud thunder. The sky becomes dark and noisy. People stay indoors until it passes.